Hotshot and Bobby and Hayes. You woke up, you heard me. So it's just gonna be a quick one to play down on how we get paid. How do car haulers, not hotshots, how do car haulers get paid? Well, we get paid a couple ways. Cash on delivery, check, check, ACH, a new big one with the exporters and importers is Cash App, because a lot of them you don't even see. Like I don't even see most of my exporter customers. That sun's bright. I can't bring it down because then y'all can't see me. But you know, so Cash App's a big one with them. And I learned last week dealing with one of them that there is a limit on Cash App, and it's $7,500. You know, because I had a customer that was maxed out on his Cash App, and you know, so his payment was late, and I got a little upset, you know, because he didn't tell me why it was late. What he's gonna do is tell me, you know. So then he paid me PayPal, you know, which wasn't a big deal, but he just, instead of telling me, he just didn't. Oh, I'm not gonna pay, I'll pay you later. But so you got Cash App, Check, ACH, and now there's two more that I do not take, and this is going to send everybody crazy. They're not going to understand until I tell you why. I don't take cashier's checks or bank checks, and I do not take money orders. I do not. Here's the reason. I'll take your personal check though. I will take your personal check. If you bounce your personal check or your business check, I got somebody to come after. If you forfeit, or forfeit, what's the word I'm looking for? If you get counterfeit bank checks or money orders from beat, they are the most counterfeit currency in the world. Bank checks and money orders. You know why? Because they're so easy to counterfeit. It's just a piece of paper, and they all can look different, and there's so many different banks and so many different stamps, and but you know, it's just, I don't take them. You know, I'd prefer not to. And COD or COP is just what it sounds like. Cash on pickup, cash on delivery. That's what it is. And then you got ComCheck. So what ComCheck does is there's a couple ways you can do it. You can they have paper ComChecks. So what you do is you fill out your code, fill out your information on it, and then you know, you take it to the truck stop and cash it. Yeah, and they charge you 3%, which is, you know, more like a factory fee, which isn't bad if you didn't have to pay to get the ComCheck in the first place. And then you can get an express code. So what the express code is they give you this electronic code, and you go to the truck stop again, or I'm sorry, with that paper ComCheck, you get it from the truck stop, but you can take it to your bank and they'll deposit it. You probably do have to hold it there for a little bit. And where did he come from? And then you have the EFS and the ComCheck code, where you know, they just give you a code and you take it to the truck stop. And I know at least the ComCheck code, you just take it to the truck stop and they give you your cash. But now, as far as the ComCheck codes, you have up to $999.99 a day. There's something about that $1,000 limit that they can't give you over 1,000 in one transaction. I don't know what it is or why. I've never asked, because wasn't ever really that important. So, and then an EFS code, it's an electronic check from what I understand. I think you go on there and you just punch your code in and you cash it, and then you can ACH it to your bank. And an ACH is just that. It's a automatic deposit. They deposit right into your bank. I think that's it. You know, so, I mean, or you could get, there also, some of them do company checks, like they'll mail them out in 10 or 15 days, but I don't really deal with them, you know, that do that, just because in this business, in the automotive business, brokers charge before it's even picked up. They're paid before it's picked up. Like, they get a deposit before it's picked up. So, if a broker wants to pay me in 10 to 15 days, you ain't going to keep my money to play around with, and then when it's time to pay me, you're waiting on you're waiting on last week's check to come in. So, yeah, I just don't play it. I don't wait 10 or 15 days. But, I mean, right now, I don't want to say it doesn't matter, but I'm not on the hook for the money, but I still try not to do that. Yeah, I try to keep my company owner just as happy, and if I wouldn't take it as mine, I wouldn't take it as his, unless he, you know, gives me special permission or tells me to, or, you know, but there's sometimes I can make calls on stuff, but, you know, as long as it's not really business, and it doesn't pertain too much to business, and can cost it money. But yeah, so that's that. But how I get paid, I get an ACH on Thursday night. That's how I get paid. But if you you know, if you have your own authority, then that's, you know, that's what it is right there. So just a quick one on how you get paid as a car hauler, how you get your money. I've had guys ask me before, and I just never put it out there. So, alright guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see it, but play with your dog while you're driving. Hotshot Dave and Hayes, we're out.